going on, everybody? If you've been wondering where I've been, you're not the only one. You know, it's been a while since I uploaded and I didn't want to just come back like nothing happened. So today I'm going to tell y'all where I've been, what I learned, and where this channel is going from here. The truth is, life got busy. You know, I've been working full time, trying to stay consistent in the gym, training jiu-jitsu, and trying to keep moving forward. But you know, somewhere along the way, I lost my momentum with YouTube. You know, every day I would tell myself, I'll record tomorrow, then tomorrow turned to next week, and before I knew it, I haven't posted in a while. I know some of you are probably waiting for another video, and I appreciate that more than you know. Being away made me realize something. Discipline isn't about falling off. It's about having the courage to come back when you do. You know, I could have waited until life slowed down or until everything felt perfect before picking back up the camera again. But if I did that, I'll be living the exact opposite of what I've been talking about on this channel. Real growth happens when you show up anyway. You know, this channel has always been about documenting my journey towards financial freedom and not pretending I have all the answers. You know, I'm still investing. I'm still working on becoming a better man. I'm still trying to build a life where I don't have to trade my time for money forever. And I'm going to keep bringing you along for the ride. The wins, the setbacks, and everything in between. If you're trying to get your finances together, if you're trying to become more disciplined, or if you're simply trying to build a better life, I hope you'll stick around because we're on this journey together. This isn't a fresh start. It's the next chapter. Let's get back to work. Fix your mind, fix your money, fix your life. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.